Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am doing a video hop. This is put on by Patricia and Mariah of PM Artist Studio. They have a Facebook group. It's Makers of Mixed Media Art and Artists Facebook group that a lot of the people that participate are members of that Facebook group, and they do videos and non-videos. So if you like what you see and you want to see more, they are posting on the Facebook group. But it's the hashtag Makers Creative Collab. They do it once a month, and this month it is hashtag Get Squirrely. PM Artist Studios has a YouTube channel. They go live 4 days a week, and they also make great stencils and foam stamps. And the prompt this month is Get Squirrely. And when I first heard that term, I thought of Doug from Up, you know, where he's he'll be talking about something and all of a sudden squirrel, and he's off in another direction. And so that made me think of these things right here, these boards. I had bought them from the dollar store back in December. It was for an activity. They just needed a flat surface. So I bought these and I thought, well, I can create art out of these back in January. When I'm done with the activity, I can just use them and collage my gel prints, because I have so many gel prints. I can just collage on them. They'd be cool, whatever. And of course, you know, they've sat there since then. So, I have got one done now, finally. But then, other people were talking about squirrely, getting squirrely and squirreling things away. So, I also do that. So, I'm going to insert a clip of my paint collection. The phrase squirrel away clearly gets its name from the squirrel and its famous habit for storing nuts and other food for the winter. When you squirrel something away, you save it, just the way a squirrel saves its acorns. You might squirrel away your lottery winnings to travel in a few years, or squirrel away the last piece of chocolate cake so no one else in your family can eat it. Or, in my case, paint. I was going to add some satisfying sounds of those being dropped into the garbage can, but there was TV playing in the background, so that wasn't possible. Okay, so I took some of the paint that I knew was getting old and hard, and if all went well, you saw little clips of me throwing away little pots of paint. Some of the clips weren't so good, so I didn't share them, but I threw away a lot of those little pots, and when I was done doing my gel printing, I just threw that whole set in the garbage, because there was only a little bit in them anyway. And so I used them and gel printed with them. Video coming later, of course. And I used some PM Artist Studio stencils. This one is Turtle Stained Glass by Fran on the Edge. And I'm showing this because the art piece is not, I don't know, it's not like the book that I did last time where there were pages to turn. So, you know, I'm at a loss. And then this one is Broken Aqueous Effervescence Broken. I've been calling this Broken Aqueous. Look at me not looking at the real title. And this one is one of their designs. It doesn't have a designer on there. And I also used medallion coins designed by Judy P. So I used one of those. I've been using them a lot lately. I really enjoy them. They have lots of fun patterns. Anyway. And I made some gel prints, and then I put them all on one of these. Voila! Oh, voila! And it's supposed to hang, so it's supposed to go this way. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. Simple collage, and I just went around with some bronzy colored paint. And of course I have other stuff on here. Like this is Robin McClendon's script stencil. I really liked it. Just fit right in there. And after creating this, I'll have some close-ups. They'll be interspersed. After creating this, I was like, it looks kind of African. Probably because those look like they could be giraffe. I don't know. But then I thought, well, maybe if I add some dots or something, it could be more Aborigine. And then I could just do have each one of these represent a different place. Like a different place I've been. So that may happen. I do have 5 more to go. We'll see how that goes. And then with the medallion, I did the aliens tacky glue fake metal thing. I don't know. But I have a medallion on there. Gives it an interesting object to go on the bottom, don't you think? So I did a little pan down. This is it hanging, well, just propped up in the library temporarily so I could get it all. I wasn't sure what I was going to do, like if I was going to do a voiceover of this and describe each thing, but I think you got the idea. I just figured I would add this so you could get a good look at it. But make sure you check out the links. I almost forgot that part. Everybody will be linked in the description box below so you can see everybody's videos. Also, if you click the video at the end of mine, you will go to the next person, and you can keep doing that down the line till you've seen everybody's. And if you are interested, check out the Facebook group because you'll see the non-YouTubers there. They may have something on Instagram. If you use the hashtag Get Squirrely or Makers Creative Collab, you might be able to find something there. But yeah, I hope you liked this. I hope you liked my project. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day.